How to use GearUp Booster in Roblox Mobile. So if you want to use GearUp Booster in Roblox Mobile, then what you need to do is first you need to open up your GearUp application. After that, just simply go with continue, which will be on the bottom. And now you need to find Roblox right here. You can also go with search and find Roblox, or you can just simply have Roblox right here. You need to just simply tap on the Roblox section. So first go with games, which will be on the bottom left, and under games here you need to search for Roblox. So just simply go with search, which will be on the top, and then here you need to search for Roblox. Once you find, just simply tap on it. Now the third step is to pick a server. GearUp will show you a list of servers like ones in the United States, Asia, or Europe. So choose one that's close to you for the best results, or pick one where your friends play. For example, I'll pick one right here, which is Southeast Asia. Step 4 is start boosting. After picking your server, hit the big boost button. GearUp will do its magic to lower your ping and make your connection more stable. You'll see a screen showing it's working, or the boost is working. Or the fifth step is launch Roblox. Once GearUp is boosting, tap launch game in the app, or just open Roblox like you normally do. After that, just join a game and check out how smooth it feels. No more lag spikes or teleporting characters. GearUp helps by finding the best path for your internet to the Roblox server, cutting down lag and keeping things steady. You can even use it while switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data. That's it, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.